Well, welcome back to another exciting adventure of what did I do to my Kubota today? Well, you know, I replaced these not too long ago, and something I noticed. Check this out. You see a little problem right there? So that's rubbing on that. And then when I went to check the oil, it's way above where it should be, which is not good. Okay, clear. Put that in there, Annie. Boop. Boop. There's a lot of water in there. Yep, look at that. I need to change. Time for an oil change. Okay. So, I need to order some parts. We're going to change the oil. We're going to get a new hose, new bottom hose. We're going to get a shorter belt because this is loose to begin with. I have all this room and this needs to be over here in order to not impinge on that. So I need a new fan belt. I need to clean the fan screen because it is completely filthy. And I think between the oil change and the fan belt and the new hose down there, we should be good to go. It'd be nice to get the rest of this all working, because none of it's working right now. Temperature gauge, none of it's working. So let's see what I can do. Well, it looks pretty foamy too. Probably just needs its annual 2026 maintenance. Go through and lube all my points again. Okay. For right now. That's what I got. Love you later, bye.